Imagine you're building a house. You've got the blueprints, the materials, and the skilled workers. But what if you're missing a crucial piece? Something that could potentially derail the entire project? In the world of online payments, that crucial piece is often a reliable payment processor. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest players in the game, Paysafe. But the question is, who's giving Paysafe a run for its money? What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a global payments platform that offers a range of services, including e-wallets, online casino payments, and card acquiring. It's a behemoth in the industry, serving millions of customers and businesses worldwide. But with such a dominant position, it's natural to wonder, who's challenging Paysafe's crown? Potential competitors, a brief overview. Before we dive into the main contenders, let's quickly touch on a few potential competitors. These include PayPal, arguably the most well-known name in the online payments industry. PayPal offers a wide range of services, including peer-to-peer payments and online shopping. Stripe, a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Stripe provides a suite of tools for accepting payments, managing subscriptions, and more. Adyen, known for its innovative technology and global reach, Adyen is a major player in the payments industry, particularly in Europe. WorldPay, acquired by FIS in 2019, WorldPay is a global payments provider that offers a variety of services to businesses and consumers. The contender, Adyen. While PayPal, Stripe, and WorldPay are all formidable competitors, one company stands out as Paysafe's biggest rival, Adyen. Why Adyen? Global reach. Adyen has a strong presence in both developed and emerging markets, making it a serious competitor to Paysafe. Technological innovation. Adyen is known for its innovative approach to payments, with a focus on providing a seamless customer experience. Scalability. Adyen's platform is designed to handle large volumes of transactions, making it a popular choice for high-growth businesses. Head-to-head comparison. Market share. While Paysafe may have a slightly larger market share, Adyen is gaining ground rapidly. Product offerings. Both companies offer a similar range of payment services, including e-wallets, online casino payments, and card acquiring. Customer base. Paysafe and Adyen serve a similar clientele, including online merchants, gaming companies, and financial institutions. The future of the competition. The competition between Paysafe and Adyen is likely to intensify in the coming years. As the online payments landscape continues to evolve, both companies will need to innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the curve. So, who is Paysafe's biggest competitor? Based on the evidence, it appears that Adyen is the most formidable challenger. Both companies are well-positioned to succeed in the competitive world of online payments, and their rivalry is sure to be a fascinating one to watch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.